Creating an account on Reinders.com is very straightforward. On the homepage, you will see multiple sections prompting you to join now. If you are an existing Reinders business customer, you can quickly connect your account for a simplified online shopping experience, including your custom pricing, real-time inventory, pay your bills online, and more. Choose Create your online business account. On this form, fill out the required fields. Make sure you have your Reinders account number available as well, so that everything can be properly linked to your new online business account. If you don't have a Reinders business account, you can fill out our credit application. You are also given the choice to create a retail account to start shopping today. These accounts have many benefits, including faster checkouts, order tracking, and saving multiple addresses. Fill out the required fields on the sign-up form, and your account will be ready to go.